Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Victoria and I chose ACI Learning because I am a veteran and I had GI Bill benefits, and I knew I wanted to go the certification route, and I wanted the CEH, the Certified Ethical Hacker exam, and I was able to leverage my benefits, apply to this program, and the program was phenomenal. The instructors did an exceptional job in organizing the curriculum to match up each domain of the exam, and did an exceptional job in explaining the technical details of each domain. My experience training at ACI Learning best fit my learning style. I was able to do the labs right after or sometimes during course instruction, and that works best for me just because when I learn and I absorb knowledge, being able to apply it right after I learned it helps me retain that knowledge. So my experience was great. Life after ACI Learning was great. They have exceptional resources in reaching out and finding a position, and I was able to find a position. They also provided me with resume templates, examples, and guidance on how to interact with potential employers. And I think maybe a month after, I was able to find a position as a senior infrastructure engineer. If I had one thing to say to the ACI Learning staff is thank you. I do not believe I would have performed well if I on this the CEH, the Certified Ethical Hacker exam, if it wasn't for your instruction and your resources. Thank you. My name is Jacob Victoria, and I'm an ACI Learning graduate.